Photography. It is Tuesday the 8th of September and we are going to shoot an unboxing video. This one's a pretty exciting one. For me anyways, I don't know if you guys care. Let's see what we got. Looks like motor oil. Let's see. Packaged pretty well. So, some duct tape. Tear this sucker open. Baggies, and we got the camera, bunch of baggies. I can always reuse those bags. Let's see what we got. Bam! Anybody in the mood for McDonald's? So, yeah. Got ourselves a Mickey D's 600 Polaroid camera. Excited to test it out. Looks pretty clean. I'll look for an empty pack soon and see if it works. If you have any questions, leave comments in the video or send me an email, ole@photole.com. Thanks.